Bullish Ethereum cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $7,524.40 and $14,212.75 by 2030. Market examiners accept ETH could reach $5,852.31 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,337.67. Ethereum presentation. Decentralized and open source. Ethereum is a blockchain that supports shrewd agreements. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main digital money after Bitcoin. Software engineer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony D'Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum organizers. Crowdfunding for improvement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute super durable and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance offer a great many monetary administrations without the requirement for traditional monetary mediators like banks, financiers, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their property out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that demonstrate responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few establishments. They are in like manner conceivable to produce and trade utilizing Ethereum. Furthermore, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for introductory coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local cryptographic money. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to assemble any solid advanced innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for utilization on the blockchain network. However, clients may likewise utilize it to pay for errands done on the blockchain. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are highlights of Ethereum. Subsequently, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and designers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our regular routines. Ethereum Specialized Investigation. As indicated by specialized investigation performed on Ethereum, the cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the decision, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest hindrance. One more reassuring sign, the cost of ETH going over the moving normal with solid exchanging action, upholds this. Accordingly, assuming the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the main obstruction, the following significant region to watch out for is most likely to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or invalidate longer-term expectations. Ethereum current cost. Ethereum is presently worth $1,672.09 USD. ETH has moved 0.54% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,909,918,716. Ethereum is presently positioned 2 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $194,980,269,797 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Ethereum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ETH cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $2,508.13. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $2,340.92 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $2,006.51. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $4,180.22. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the ETH's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3,344.18 and a typical exchanging cost of $3,678.59. Ethereum value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $5,852.31 and ETH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5,350.68 and a low of $5,016.26 in 2025. Ethereum value expectation 2026. In the event that Ethereum effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $7,524.40, with a base cost of $6,688.35 and a typical cost of $7,022.77. Ethereum value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $8,694.86 by 2027, with a base cost of $8,360.44 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ETH has a most extreme value worth of $9,196.48. Ethereum value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $10,366.95. On the off chance that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $10,868.57. Neglecting to assemble the help ETH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $10,032.53. Ethereum value expectation 2029. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $11,704.62 and a yearly cost close above $12,540.66 in 2029. Ethereum value forecast 2030. By 2030, Ethereum will at long last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $13,376.70 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $14,212.75, averaging out at $13,711.12. Ethereum value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ETH cost in 2031 is projected to be